Previously I have not shown the date format, date data type. So this is the date. So this is to create the table. Test already exists. Table. Now my table is created. So how to see whether the table is created or not? There is two types. One is select star from test. So table is present but no rows.
Describe.
Another command is describe. So this is my the table and these are the four columns. Now the table is created. Table is created. I want to insert the data in this. For inserting, there is a insert command. Insert into test values. Then I am given. Okay. There is one function to see the current date. There is one sysdate function. Before that, I will tell some pseudo columns. Pseudo columns are row number, row num, row ID. Pseudo table, GL table. Pseudo column means this will not appear, so we cannot see. But whenever we have created the table, for this automatically row number will be generated. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row ID also generated automatically. These are the pseudo columns. We will not create manually. This automatically will be created by the Oracle. Pseudo table means the table is present. For example, we want to see 100 plus 100, 100 plus 100 from dual. Dual is the pseudo table. We can see. I want to see 100 divided by 10. This is we can see. So this table will not physically present. This is the logical table. Dual is the logical table. We can see whatever we want. And sysdate will we can see the current date. Select the sysdate from dual. When I say this, we can see the current date. See, today is the 2nd August 2021. Okay, why I am telling this, I will tell you. Student number I have given 10, name I am given A01, address I am giving as Hyderabad, and here in place of date I am giving sys date. Let's see we can insert or not. One row created. A02 Bangalore. See, in place of joining date, I have given sys date here. So the today date inserted. So if I don't want to use sys date, I can give manual date also, but I have given it sys date. Manually also you can give 2nd August 21, 3rd August 21 like this here. Okay. So till insert everyone is completed. Everyone is understood. So now what will happen? I have rolled back. I have given rollback. Now what will happen?
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing because we have committed. Once we commit, we cannot roll back. We cannot roll back the committed data. But when we use rollback, the uncommitted data will be rolled back only. Only uncommitted data. Committed rollback are the TCL commands. That these are the transaction control language. Okay. Now, so till here, insert command and create command completed. Now, I want to add another column. For that, what will happen? What we need to do? Use the command. So here my new requirement is I want to add another column. For that,
Alter.
alter table. Table name is test. Add. This is the alter add. Add. I'm adding some other column, mobile number. Table altered. Now see. You can see that. Here we have added the column, but no data. So let's see. We will insert again another row. I'm inserting another row. Existed. For mobile column, I'm giving 1, 2, 3. Committing. Start from test. I have inserted the data. Now the data from here onwards, it will insert the mobile column also. But now I want to update the data here. We cannot insert here. So we want to update the data. For that, we have update command. Update test. This is the update syntax. All syntaxes are there only previously. So that is why I'm writing directly. So if you don't give any where condition, directly it will update the all columns. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you mention where condition, for example, I want to update the 30 serial number as a 234. I want to update 234 for only student number equal to 30. Then it will update only 30th record only. See, it updated only 234. So if I don't mention this where condition, now I'm giving 3, 4, 5. It will update the all records because I have not mentioned anything. 4 rows updated. Total 4 rows updated with the 3, 4, 5. Because here I have not mentioned any where condition. Okay. Now this is the update command. No. Delete command. I say delete from test, what will happen?
All the data will be deleted.
So what is the difference between these three?
Truncate is used to delete all the data from the table,
Okay.
and we cannot roll back after
Okay.
truncate,
Okay.
but we can roll back after delete using delete command.
Oh,
And
okay.
drop is used to delete the whole table and its specifications as well.
Okay. And what about conditional delete?
It is used to delete the particular record or row.
By using which command? Drop, truncate, or delete?
Delete, and where condition.
And what about truncate? If you use truncate, can we delete conditionally?
No,
Okay.
cannot. It will delete all the data from the table, and we cannot roll back also.
Okay. So now I'm showing delete from test. So before that, I want to take some backup. How to take backup? Same as it is, we need to create backup table.
Create table, table
Table,
name.
table name I am mentioning test copy.
as
Select star
H,
from
test.
test.
So just remember this, whenever you are doing operations, any operation, any DML operations or DDL operations in real time, just make a backup of that copy. Just make a backup table. Whatever you are doing the operations in real time. Just copy already present. Now table created. Select star. Same test copy will be present. Now I am saying here, I am deleting from the test copy table. Deleted. The total data deleted, but the structure remains same. This required the rollback segment. If you don't give rollback segment, that old data and new data, old data already present in the table spaces, temporary table spaces, it will wait for the rollback segment. So here I am giving rollback. The total data will be that because we have used here delete command. Another, I want to delete only student number 1, student number 10th record. Where tenth record has been deleted. It is also, it will wait for the rollback segment because it is a DML command. So I'm saying commit here. I'm doing rollback. Now data will be not present because first we have committed. After deleted, we have used commit command. Okay. Now these are the two examples. One is the conditional delete. Conditional delete means for particular record. One is delete from test copy means total data delete. This is the delete command. Now truncate. Okay, I'll show first. ID come dot star. So here what I again, A means whatever I am giving after the table name I am giving, this is alias name for the table. The same alias I have given here, A dot star means total row ID. Previously, as I mentioned previously, row ID is the pseudo column. This we have not created, but Oracle internally it will create the columns. This is the pseudo column, hidden column. Another one is what? Row number. Row number. See, row number also. We can see these both are pseudo columns. Row number, comma, row ID also I will show display. Row ID, row number are the pseudo column. These are the hidden columns. We will not create manually. The Oracle automatically creates. If you have inserted 100 records, the total row ID will be inserted. 100 row IDs will be inserted by Oracle. Okay.
Yes, Raghu, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Can we update more than one record, but not all the records?
More than one record?
Yeah, at a time.
Yes, we can.
I have a doubt that because I had tried that by using comma and you didn't explain about that.
Okay.
So I want to ask that how we can update more than one records at a time.
You are saying more than here we have used all records.
Yeah, just update mobile number for serial number 20 and 30 at a time. So
20 and 30 or no?
Yeah.
No, like that we cannot update.
Yeah.
You need to give two commands separately.
Okay.
One is for where serial number equal to 10 and another is for where the
I
serial
have
number equal to 10.
created one table that I have mentioned a column called gender.
Yeah.
So we can give gender like male to more than one people, right? Mobile number is unique, but we
Yeah.
can give gender as male for more than one people.
Yeah.
So I tried for some records. It showed error.
That is possible. That is possible, but not normal update.
Okay.
That will require case statement.
Okay. So we haven't heard
Case
about that.
statement I will explain in functions topic.
Okay.
This case statement is the most important that I will explain. Okay. Now I am using drop. So if you want, you can try at home case statement. Anyhow, I will explain.
Yes.
Yeah. So I am saying truncate test copy. Now see select star from test underscore copy. No row selected. I am giving rollback. Will the data will be rolled back?
No,
No, because since it
it
is a
will not
delete command, auto commit.
auto commit it.
Test underscore copy. No, we cannot delete it. But the table structure will be present. Here, where condition can we use? No, where condition we cannot use. Now next, drop table, test underscore. So when you use this command, the total data as well as the table structure, both will be deleted permanently. Now see, select star first. Table or view does not exist. Okay. Now the remaining commands are I had list, alter, modify, alter, drop, alter, rename, alter, drop. So here we have added another column, mobile. So I want to drop that column. If you want to drop the columns by using alter drop, alter table test drop column. Drop column. To mention drop column. Table altered. Now see. Select star test. The mobile column has been dropped. Okay. Another one is alter rename. So I want to give another name to the table. Alter table test rename to underscore one. Test underscore one already will be. Sorry. Table alter means I have given name, rename, alter rename means I have given test one instead of test. Now the test one will not be present. Sorry, test will not be present because we have done rename to the table. Test underscore one. Now test one present. Instead of alter command, we have another command. Rename. Rename also we can use to change the table. That is directly rename test one to test. Again, I am renaming the column table name. Now test one will not be present. Test will be present. Okay. This is the alter rename and rename. Both are same. Both will access the same to change the name. And the last one is alter modify. So till now our requirement is in place of student number we will receive 10, 20 only numbers only. But now the requirement has changed. From here onwards we will receive these numbers are S01, S02, S03. So will it accept? This is the number data type. Describe test. Here I am given number. Now I am inserting. From now onwards, the data will come like this S01. Here I am giving A05. Address is Hyderabad. Will it accept or it will throw any error?
No, it is a number data type.
So here invalid number it is saying. So now our requirement is we need to change this data type. We need to change this data type to varchar. Okay. If you do directly see here only, right? Alter table test modify column student number varchar 2. This is the syntax. Alter table name, modify column name, the new data type. This number varchar 2. Okay. The actual syntax is this one. Column is not required. This is the syntax. But here what is saying? Column to be modified must be empty to change the data type, because this table is already having data. If the table is already having the data, then we cannot change the data type. Now what we need to do? What are our next step? In real time, the
Yeah.
requirement will be like this only. Okay.
We need to
We
copy
need to
data to
remove the
another
S
table
number.
We need to copy data to another table. Test
and
underscore one.
then we should remove the data.
We need to truncate or delete whatever.
Yeah, we need to truncate
Truncate from test.
Test.
and we need to alter modify the data type.
To alter modify. Once it is done, again
We should copy the data from second
test
table.
underscore 1 to. These are our steps. Okay. Now I'm writing the steps one by one. Test one. I think test one already there. I think. Table test underscore not exist. This is first step. Second step is table test. This is second step. Third step is we need to alter. And fourth step is again we need to insert the data back. Insert into start from. These are the four steps. Test one created. Now I have truncated the table test. Table altered. Now see describe. This is the varchar to data type. And again I am inserting the backup data. Four rows created. Now try to insert the previous record. Test 0. So, can you tell what is the wrong here?
Join date.
Hmm?
Sorry.
What is wrong here?
Value.
Yes.
Values.
This key was missing. One row created now. Insert S0. Okay. These are all the DDL, DML, DCL commands. So any doubts still here? Anyone?
Raghu,
Yeah.
can't we take the, can you go into command?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't we take it from first line? S number 00, is that right?
Here.
Yeah.
We need to update. Okay, you are saying instead of inserting here, can we insert here from starting hours?
Yes, yes.
No, no. Whatever the latest updated row will be last one. Okay.
And the column as well, we can create new column in between all these,
No, that
like
is
in
also
between
not
S
possible.
number and S.
Also not possible. Not possible.
And
If you want to add the another column in between, again the same steps. What we have done here now.
delete the table.
These
Sorry,
are the
copy
same
the
steps
table.
again.
And please once again explain difference between char and varchar.
So, do you want me to explain again?
Yeah, because I forgot.
Okay. Create two tables. T1 I'm saying. Column. Char of 10. T2 table. Here I'm giving varchar. Inserting and row. Name as ABC. Here also I'm inserting same row. T2. Name also name same ABC. Now copy already here. Yeah, previously I also asked this question. What will be the data now? In T1 and T2.
Name.
I have done these 4 comments. Now what will be the data? Sorry, I am that. Now tell what will be the data?
The data will be.
When I say
That
select
will-
start from T1, what will happen? What will
Name
be
will
the
be
data?
present.
No
Name will be
data.
present.
No rows.
T1 will be present. T2 will not present.
Okay, okay. When I say select, here I have done rollback. Now tell what will be the data in T1?
ABC.
Is everyone same answer?
Yes.
Now what about this?
T2
Will be empty.
empty. Zero rows.
So because after DML we have performed the DDL. So that's the reason it is auto completed. Now see. T1 is data is there. T2 no rows. I'm inserting again. Now table 2 also having data. Table 1 also having data. No. What is the difference actually? There is one length function. The length function you are able to see. You will be able to see in the functions topic. But now I'm telling, if you want to see the length of the name, if you want to see the length of the column, we can use the length function. Length of name. This one function, we can see the what is the length for that table or for that column. So first I'm seeing T1. Length of name is 10. What is the actual data?
A, B, C.
Data is
4.
3.
ABC. It should be 3 characters only.
Yeah.
What about the remaining spaces?
Consumes the space from
It-
database.
7 character spaces. Wastage only. Okay. Now let's see. T2. T2 is the varchar 2. The char. This is the varchar. Length of this is 3. This is also 3. So there is no wastage. There is no wastage in terms of storage. Okay. Based on the storage, varchar 2 will be the better. But Oracle internally stores. Varchar characters and length of the characters, length information. Varchar to data type. But when it comes to the char, store only the characters. This is the difference between the char and varchar. Okay. But why when we use character? Most of the times we will use varchar 2 only. But if there is any, like last time I said, if there is any currency or anything, some type of columns, we will use only, every time we will use only like this only, GBP, Euro, USD. So we will store the data in only 3 characters. In this scenario, we will definitely go only char.
Like mobile number only 10 digits.
Mobile number 10 digits. Okay, like that. If there is any distinct, like if there is any fixed length values, fixed length characters, we'll go for the char. If you don't know how much the data, how much the, like names, some names are 3 characters only, some names are 4 characters, some names are 5 characters. So we cannot estimate the size. For that, we can go for the varchar. If you know fixed length, then we can go for char. If we don't know the length, then we can go for the varchar. Okay. Any doubts? Okay. Now, so the basic commands is completed here. Now, for example, we have done one bank transaction. For every transaction, if everyone, you can see the bank statement or every statement. So for every statement, there is one transaction ID. Transaction ID will be generated. This will be the unique ID. This will not be the duplicate. Okay. Like transaction ID will generate 1001. Example I'm saying, account number account number something 1 2 3 4 5, account holder name is ABC, and debit or credit, debit, 100 rupees debited. Okay, again the same transaction, you have withdrawn 100 rupees from the ATM, but by some mistake the data has been duplicate data inserted in the table. So now what will happen? In the last, the report will come as you have withdrawn 200 rupees. You have withdrawn 200 rupees, but actually you have withdrawn only 100 rupees. But because of the duplicate data, the report given as 200. You have withdrawn 200, but actually you have withdrawn only 100 rupees. That is the problem. Okay, that is the problem because of the duplicate data. To avoid the duplicate data, what will be the solution? Not only duplicate data. For example, in some scenarios, there will be transaction ID is blank. So whatever, you have credited everything. So if you want to see this transaction, there should be one transaction ID. This should be unique. So with the transaction ID only, you can see this transaction, bank transaction. Without transaction ID, how you identify? If the same, again you have created 100 rupees. Again you have created 100 rupees. Again your name only. Again created only. Again 100 rupees only. So how you find out what will be the transaction when we have done the transaction? Because of that only, we need transaction ID. We need transaction ID. But this transaction ID is duplicate, and here there is no transaction ID. This will be null only. So for that, this will be the problem only. To avoid the duplicates, to avoid the nulls, there is one topics, constraints. To restrict the data. And to generate the distinct values 1003. Distinct means without duplicate. To generate these values, to generate these distinct values, we have on topic sequences. To generate the distinct values. In constraints, we have 5 types of constraints. One is not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check constraint. Another one is default. This is not a constraint, but we will see in the constraints topic. Okay, why these constraints will be used? This constraint will restrict the data. Means if there is any duplicate records is trying to insert, so we have one constraint on this table. Okay, but we are trying to insert 1004 again. Directly it will throw an error. Constraint violated. This will throw an error. But now I'm trying to insert. We have one table type. Select start. So here I'm trying to insert into just 10 already there, but again I'm trying to insert. A01 already there, again I'm trying to insert. Hyderabad already there. Hyderabad again I'm just trying to insert. So it is not giving any error. It is inserted directly. Another. So instead of 10, I am giving null. I am inserting null values. the data. 10 here here also same record, here also same record. Here there are null values. Okay. To avoid this, we have the constraint topic. So tomorrow we'll start with constraints. Okay. Everyone complete this DML DDL operations tomorrow, and we will start the new topic, sequences and constraints. Okay. If you have any doubts till here, you can ask. So if no doubts, then I'll stop the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay then, bye.
Bye, Raghu.